Before KRA hits you with penalties, here are 5 mistakes Kenyans make when filing returns and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, you file a nil return even though you earn something. This happens a lot with side hustles, rent, or online income. It feels easier, but it's risky. Fix that by registering the correct tax obligation, like business or rental, and declare your income the right way. Mistake number 2, you declare gross income but forget to deduct expenses, especially if you're filing rental under the annual method or running a business. Fix that by keeping records and deducting allowable expenses to lower your tax legally. Mistake number 3, you ignore your withholding tax certificates. That is money you have already paid to KRA. Don't leave it unclaimed. Fix that by logging into your account, downloading the certificates, and apply the credits when filing. Mistake number 4, mixing up income types. Some people declare rent under business or forget to include employment income completely. Fix that by filing each income separately. Rental, business, employment, each has its own place. Mistake number 5, not filing at all just because you didn't earn anything. Even if you are jobless, in school, or abroad, KRA still expects a nil return. Fix that by logging in and filing nil return before the deadline to avoid penalties. If you have made any of these mistakes, now you know what to fix. Got stuck before? Drop your questions below or reach out if you need help. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful KRA guides.
See you in the next video.